Okay, that's the our nearby railway train passing through. Please don't mind the horning. Now we're looking at 325K median sales price in April. Now, if you recall, back in March, we saw 335K median sales price. So you saw around $10,000 decline in total in dollar terms. But year over year, we still see about 3% increase. Uh, Closed sales, new listings, pending sales, total sales volume, and active listings decline across the board. However, if you look at the inventory levels and the number of days on market, it actually decreased a little bit. So thus showing that our market has continued to be very healthy, fundamentally strong, and I believe the economy in Austin has a lot to do with that, and also the overall favorable market factors here in Greater Austin area. So let's take a look at the showings activity that we've been seeing over the month of, actually the past several months. If you recall, we bottom out around April in terms of showings activity. And at the start of April, things begin to come back. And in the first weekend of May, we're pretty much back to the same territory as last year. And about in the recent week, in this past 1 week, matter of fact, we shot above. The showings activity actually exceeded the showings activity we had last year. And bear in mind, these are numbers for the entire state of Texas. So it's not just Greater Austin, but this is very encouraging, folks. And I think one of the reasons we'll discuss a little bit later is the very favorable interest rates. And another reason could be some pent-up demand that were not satisfied during the lockdown period. We're not entirely out of the lockdown phase yet, so I just want to remind everybody. But we have been going through phases of reopening, and as we do that, more and more folks are visiting properties to purchase or lease. Let's take a look at the snapshot of this past week, how the market was doing. So we see new listings come up, even more listings receive contracts. So if you look at the ratio here, it's very, very healthy. About a week ago, the number of pending contracts were about the same level as new listings coming in the market. But now the pending contracts have far exceeded the number of new listings. And that's indicative, folks, of just the market absorbing the new listings faster than they come out on the market. And this is another indication of a strong sales market and strong buyers activity. And one of the reasons why we are having such a strong buyers activity, as you can tell, very low interest rates. We're looking at, on May 15th, we looked at about 3% for both jumbo and VA, 2.375 for FHA, 2.5 for conventional. Now, you may have noticed that during my short update about 2 weeks ago, the FHA and the conventional rates were slightly higher. So this is a very favorable opportunity for buyers to take advantage of. So I want to encourage you to look into that. So folks, thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions about the market, or if you're thinking about buying or selling, feel free to reach out to me through phone, email, Facebook, or the website. I'd love to sit down with you through Zoom virtually and have a discussion, quick chat on what your plans and goals are. As always, have a wonderful week ahead and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye now.